Welcome to our journey through 2023, a year of remarkable transformations and groundbreaking achievements in the business world. From the surge in renewable energy initiatives to the evolution of AI technology, each month brought its own set of challenges and triumphs. Today, we'll explore the top 12 business stories that define 2023, one for each month, showcasing how these developments have reshaped industries and set new precedents for the future. Join us as we delve into a year of innovation, disruption, and progress, and discover what made 2023 a year to remember in the business landscape. January 2023 marked a significant step towards a greener future. Countries around the globe announced groundbreaking renewable energy projects, emphasizing solar and wind power. These initiatives promise not only environmental benefits but also economic growth and job creation in the green sector. In February, the AI world witnessed remarkable advancements. Cutting-edge AI technologies emerged, revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. These innovations are not just about technological prowess, but also about creating solutions for real-world challenges. March was a month of significant shifts in the business landscape, with major mergers and acquisitions reshaping industries. These moves indicate a dynamic market, highlighting the strategies companies are adopting to stay competitive and expand their horizons. April saw dramatic changes in the cryptocurrency market. Fluctuations in value and new regulatory frameworks made headlines, reflecting the volatile nature of digital currencies and their growing impact on the global financial system. May 2023 brought groundbreaking innovations in healthcare and biotechnology. New drugs, treatments, and technologies emerged, promising to revolutionize patient care and open new avenues in medical research. June highlighted shifts in global trade relations, with changes in trade agreements and tariffs impacting economies worldwide. These developments reflect the evolving nature of international commerce and its influence on global markets. July was a month of innovation for tech giants, unveiling new products and services. These ventures are set to change consumer experiences and drive technological advancement, showcasing the ever-evolving landscape of the tech industry. In August, the stock market experienced significant movements. These trends, driven by various economic factors, have profound implications for investors and the economy, highlighting the interconnectedness of global financial systems. September saw companies making substantial strides in sustainability. These initiatives demonstrate a commitment to environmental stewardship and a shift towards more responsible business practices. October brought exciting developments in transportation, from electric vehicles to advancements in public transit and aerospace. These innovations promise to transform how we travel, emphasizing efficiency and sustainability. November's focus was on the retail industry, with an emphasis on Black Friday. Trends in consumer behavior and a surge in online shopping provide insights into the evolving landscape of retail. As 2023 comes to a close, we look back at the financial highlights of the year and forward to the trends and predictions for 2024. This analysis offers valuable insights into what we can expect in the coming year. As we close the chapter on 2023, we are left with insights and inspirations that will undoubtedly influence the years to come. The stories we have shared today not only highlight the resilience and ingenuity of the business world, but also remind us of the continuous journey towards innovation and excellence. Thank you for joining us in this retrospective. And here's to a future filled with even more remarkable achievements and breakthroughs.